quickly going through the 4 actions for today's class. When somebody greets you with a salam, don't judge them further. We cannot pass our verdict, no, still you're a non-Muslim. And we saw a situation that was extreme situation during the time of war in Medina, when people were asked and the Muslims were asked, don't term anybody disbeliever if they've given you a greeting, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah or assalamu alaikum. Then you cannot say he's a non-believer and take whatever their possession and their goods are. So don't be greedy for this world. You can oppose still people's ideas and they should be held accountable according to the law. But we are not the ones who will judge, they are kafir or they will go to hell or they'll go to paradise or whatever. This is with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He is the knower of hearts, what is going inside their hearts. But yes, as part of law and order, people will be held accountable for their actions, or you can even oppose them. If you don't like somebody's ideas, then you can even oppose their ideas. But we are no ones to pass judgment on people for their afterlife. Of course, in this life, there is a judgment system, there is a law and order system that should be followed according to the Sharia of Islam. Number 2, contribute with your life and wealth in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's way. We have to spend whatever material things Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us, be it money, be it any other thing that you can give, in order to help the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And those people who do this and who strive with their life, with their skills, with their time for the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, for the teachings of Islam, the teachings of the Holy Quran, if they're spreading these things, these good things that we are learning, then those people who strive in the way of Allah are better in ranks versus those who do not. Noor, you have a question?
Yes, sir, I'm sorry to say, but Surah An 74 to 87, I can see on screen, but it's actually 88 to 103, I think.
Sorry, you're saying when you travel then?
I'm saying on the screen, 4 actions from this class, the ayah number is wrong.
No, all 4 will come, don't worry. All 4 will come. I'm just bringing them one by one. So here they are, all 4 for you. Okay?
No, sir, I'm talking about the ayah number.
Yes, the ayah number. I think it's a slight mistake. It's from the previous class. Yes, we have covered from 88 to 103. Yeah. Thank you for pointing it out. I'll correct it. So, yes, so we are talking about contribute with your life and wealth in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's ways. Those people who do this are better in ranks versus those who do not. We learned this as well. And always we have to be cautious and practicing Muslims, because we don't know when the time of our deaths and when death can take us. And we saw an extreme example where angels will ask people, why were you doing wrongful acts before you die? And they will say, because we were oppressed and we could not perform. And the angels will respond to them, you could have moved to another place. The earth of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is wide, and they will be thrown to hell. So for us, there is no excuse. Alhamdulillah, most of us are free and we can practice Islam. So we should always be in that state, because it better be that we are not doing any wrongful act when our time of death comes. Finally, when you immigrate to a new country, the objective of a better life should be that it should get us closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It should help us to peacefully practice Islam. There should be no oppression. And one important action that we also learned is that we should not sign any papers as part of that immigration or migration that are against the sovereignty of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the supreme authority, and the word Allah itself means it's a combination of 2 words, al-ilah, which is the Allah or the ilah, and the word ilah means the one who is only supposed to be worshipped, loved and obeyed with all the instructions. So we cannot take instructions other than what are the teachings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the Holy Quran and in the Hadith and Sunnah of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's it for today's class.